Greetings everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a lovely beverage. You can call it tea that help you to burn fat while you're sleeping, and I'll take you through the process. If it's the first time you're watching this channel, please subscribe, like, share and leave positive comment. Stay tuned while I take you through this process. So this here we have the organic cider vinegar, which is very good. It helps you to lose weight, and also it's good for heartburn. It's good for type 2 diabetes, and also you can use it to even whiten your teeth, improve aches, and it's also good to speed up your metabolism. We have here some cinnamon, which also good to increase your metabolism, speed up your antioxidant also, and also it's good for your brain and good to stabilize your blood sugar, good for inflammation, good for lowering the blood pressure. And here I have some lemon, which is packed with vitamin C also, and lemon help boost your immune system and help your body to absorb iron. And here we have some chamomile here, which I'm going to take you through the process, how to use it. Chamomile is good for your skin. It's help you to relax, and it's good for weight loss also. It's good for your stomach, good for heart health, and also it's good for fertility, and also help you to sleep better. So here I have a pan, and I'm going to show you how I do this, make this tea. I have some honey here. Honey is very healthy. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to put that in there. And with the chamomile tea, put the dry ingredients in. Then I'm going to pour some hot water over it. That should be enough. Let's give it a bit of stir. You can smell it already. Let's push it aside. I'm gonna add honey in, because if you put the honey in the cold water, it's not gonna dissolve. So just add your honey in. And get your lemon, squeeze it in. Don't worry if you have seeds in it or there are no seeds in it. It will do the same. Next, cinnamon in. Then I'm gonna add some cider vinegar in it. Just give it a bit of shake. It's proper stuff. Always have this in your house. Maybe 1, 2, 3, about that. Some black pepper, bit of black pepper in. As you can see now, I'm going to remove this. The tea is dry. So this is what it looked like. Now I'm going to get my cup. Place this back inside. Then you pour your tea out. The rest I'm going to cool it down and put it into a bottle and keep sipping on it. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. This is what the finished product look like. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to share, like, and subscribe. Peace be.